Hello. I'm trying to get. I can't get somewhere. I have obviously Temu bag. I think that had my daughter's necklace in it. She took it. Some cute little mushroom houses. These are sweet, actually. They look like little cupcakes. Oops. Cupcakes, mushroom, apple, house. Okay. Got a few of those. These are flat bags. I don't know why I got flat ones. Do they stick to things? It's a peanut. Butterfly. So there's a whole bag of those. I have to figure out what to do with them. Okay. What we got? Tiny little rainbow. Ugh. Yep. Tiny little rainbow things. I have a jar of sun. I thought. Okay. All right. Well played. I thought I wonder why I can't find them. Keychain. That's the mail. Sim. I think these go on the keychain things. Oh, I needed those to finish my keychain holder over there. I don't think there was much in there. I think Deshiana opened that one already. Sounds like a mess in there. Oh, keys. Some keys. How cute is that? Do I have two of those? No, I have three of a different one. Okay. I don't think I kept ordering these. This is my third pack of these. Let's see. These are, I think these are supposed to be glass. Are they glass is the question. No, I think they're plastic. You have to look that up. I think those are supposed to be glass. Is that it? Nope. And these to go in my sun catchers. Oh, at least they're bigger. They're sparkly here. To go in my jar. I got a jar right here. Ah! These are so pretty. Trash. Clear stickers. I got some clear flower stickers. Oh, so pretty. Those are actually very pretty. I have to figure out what to put them on. Put them on something. Okay, I got one more little bag. Never have too many gummy bears. don't know what this is. Your opinion matters. Do these go on? Well, these might go in cups. Oh, it's a coffee. What does it say? Busy doing nothing. Goes on a coffee cup. I speak fluent sarcasm. I have no idea what I'm doing. Spoiler alert, I don't care. Friday is my second favorite F word. Oh, those are cute though. I'm gonna find some cups to put them on. Please don't talk to me. Yeah, that one, not good. Okay, what do we think is in here? I did stop ordering, so these should stop coming, but sometimes they just take so long. Oh, I got some of these for clip-on earrings. They're the little, they go over the metal part. Not a lot of them, but that's what those are. Oh my god. Oh my lord. I got a problem. We're doing. You can't see it. It's a petit pot. It's a tea set. So cute. It's a little mini tea set. Put it in my mini thing. Are these? I think they look bigger in the picture, but isn't that the way it is with Temu? Okay, fine. Fine. Use my scissors. Yes, I think they were supposed to be a little bigger. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but it's like you grab one of these and at least they're glass. I think they're glass. Yeah, they're glass. And then you put it, so I'd have to find something tiny to go in there and then glue the glass over it. Is that how that works? This doesn't even like fit very well. Wonder if there's directions somewhere. But I got a bunch of those. I'm just gonna leave them in there. Yeah. Where can I put these? Can't put them in the drawer. I got cat gibbets. These have to go downstairs. Indicianas bucket. Oh, look at this guy. Kitty gibbets. Oh, there's a pair. There's a pair. Oh, this is so cute. I have a bunch of stuff down here that I have to put away. Like away. That's downstairs. I don't know what to do with those yet. I got some itty bitty crosses. Okay, so I have, what are these? It looks like they're post ear. No, those can't be them. Oh, these must be oh, my nose is running so bad. Necklace doohickeys. Necklace thingies. It's like, I don't. Okay, sometimes I feel like Temu glitches me. That's crazy. Hold on. Like, these are all post earrings. Just a handful of them. A handful of them. I have to put them. They gotta go over there in that box. Keychains. Earring holders. Purple flowers. I have a whole flower. Okay, so I have a flower box here with flowers and leaves. And I'm starting that so I can make some flowers. Oh, flowers are falling. Petals are falling. I don't know what's falling. No, it's a petal. Like, some of these are big flowers. I was surprised. So I might have to layer them. Like, this one's super big. My brain last night was like, put them together. Make a big, beautiful flower. But, okay. We'll see. Oh, look at these ones. See, they look so cute together. And I have little vases to put the flowers in. These do not go in there. These do not match. I have so much stuff over here. Yep. I think that's all I have. Oh, more earring hooks. This is, I think it's magnet tape for smaller. I don't know how magnet words. It's magnet tape, but I don't know how strong it is because it doesn't feel strong. Hold on. Let's see. I guess it works as long as it's not heavy. Okay, that can get put in the magnet area. I have bookmarks. I gotta put some bookmarks together to bring to work. There's a purple flower up here. Flower. I guess I already had those. I told you I have a problem. These ones are different. See what these ones are. Oh, there's stuff down there that's fallen. These ones are flowers. And I do have a bunch that are already together. I gotta get those out. Because I don't know where the ones that I had went. That I had in the store that I took out. Hold on. Oh. Suppose I should probably stop buying things in multiples. I think that might be the only that fell back down here. Oh. These are crosses. Crosses. I have a whole bag of charms. Just keep putting them in there in one spot. That's the only thing that fell down. Oh, that fell. Oh, lots of earring backs too. I'm gonna finish that magnet. I don't know what else is in there. Earring bags, and a chapstick. Okay. Oh, I have some of these. They're for putting on your cell phone. You can put a charm on it. Thought I had one on the floor, but I don't see it anymore. Okay, that is a pair of earrings. I have a bag. And I have, ooh, I wonder, I collect jars. So I can put things in them. This might not be big enough for these. I have a jar of them over there, but do I think they'll fit in there? Work. Ah! I lost that one. Lost that one. Look at this. You can't see the sunshine. Oh! Butterfly. They're flying everywhere. Oh God. Okay, hold on. Oh, I found a little pretty bead. In there. In there. I know I want to make earrings out of these, but I gotta figure out if I can drill a hole in it or not. No, cherries will not fit. Some of these are super cute, like it's like a bottle of alcohol. I'm not sure it is, but it looks like it. This one's sparkly. Oh, you cannot see the sunshine. In cherries do not want to fit. Oh, those ones are balloons. Oh, it's an owl. Look at these really cute. We can make some earrings. I do have flat back earrings, some plastic ones. I think I have another bag of these in the drawer that's holding my phone up. Because I bought them by accident once. I did it on purpose this time. Look at this. Honey, you need to poo. Well, this is a big ice cream cone. Crazy, 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 crazy. I do love these. These stars are cool. These would be cool earrings. There's a bunch of them. Grapes. So I really got to stop buying things and start making things. They fit in there. I also have a jar over here of them. I don't think I'm going to pull those out though. Let's see. Thought I had a sorry, I'm like digging through. I can't find it, but I know I have more. So these guys did not fit in there. These ones. So I'll have to put them somewhere else. Alright. I scratched myself. Alright, I guess that's it. Bye.